Nowadays, it's hard to tell what is a glitch and what is not a glitch, or why this glitch is happening if it is a glitch. And right now, we're seeing GameStop trade at $50, but it was a Saturday when we saw this dilution tracker reporting GameStop at $50 that's not even able to trade on overnight trading. Seems to me like it could just be a glitch this time. But let's touch on both sides to debunk as well as see if this thing has some merit to it. Make sure to like the video, follow all the way to the end of the video, and subscribe to the channel. So you can see GameStop up here being reported at $50. Real-time regular trading hours price last traded as of Saturday, July 10th, 2024. Okay, stocks don't trade on Saturdays. Now this is crazy, right? This is up 100%. That means it's going to open up 100% on Monday. Well, let's just debunk it a little bit. It could be a glitch because you're seeing it happen with other stocks. JP Morgan, $50, down 76%. Home Depot, down 86% at $50. Grove at $50, up 3,211%. Now maybe it's not a glitch. Black Swan investor warns the greatest bubble in human history is about to pop and stocks could lose more than half their value. Why does this matter? Because the way the market has been shifting shows that meme plays, small cap plays that are heavily shorted are going to run, and other plays are going to get liquidity pulled out of them. Things are happening with banks, and this was also just posted July 20th, 2024. We have to also take into account that people are betting on the T plus 35, whether that's just a YOLO bet that will never play out. We did see it play out a couple of times, and the theory looks pretty good. Market makers potentially defaulting on Roaring Kitty's 4 million share purchase settlement, claiming that Monday to Tuesday, we may have a big GameStop run caused by OCC clearing 4 million deep value purchase, right? So the lineup with this so far is interesting before we open up market trading. Now you are also potentially seeing liquidity crisis. We saw the CrowdStrike update. On the same day, 2.7 trillion in options were going to expire in July, right? Now, the newest news, Berkshire sells 1.48 billion of Bank of America shares. Now, according to ChatGPT, the reason they did this is because Berkshire Hathaway, led by Warren Buffett, has decided to sell 1.48 billion worth of Bank of America shares due to concerns over the financial stability of not just Bank of America, but several banks. Buffett noted that some banks were engaging in risky behavior and misleading practices, which made their financials appear better than they were. These practices included mismatching assets and liabilities, such as using short-term deposits to invest in long-term securities, which contributed to recent banking crises, right? You heard it here from Warren Buffett himself. Banks are engaging in risky activity, and it could lead to crisis for these banks. Now, what's also interesting about this theory that stocks will lose about half their value or more is GameStop didn't just get reported at $50. In fact, Fintel's legitimate website, you can go look right now, is reporting extended hours at $12.26, which is down 50.9%. I want to say right now, we don't know what GameStop is going to open at. Maybe it's going to open flat. No glitches happening. This week's going to be important. Next week's going to be important. August specifically is going to be important for these short squeeze plays. And a couple things I can tell you is if GameStop went down to $12, right, sub 13, a flash crash down, you know that there's immediate room for upside following that. In my opinion, nothing I say is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would personally be loading up at those levels. Now, if you look at GameStop also on the monthly chart, this thing is looking like you could see a monstrosity of a move to the upside based on the spring load that we have. The small spring load that we had back here before this candle brought GameStop from about $5 to $120, right? All splits adjusted, is a much shorter spring than we have right here. Given circumstances are different, the hype is still here on GameStop. AMC as well. On the weekly time frame, again, given circumstances are different, you saw a ton of volume recently come in on AMC, and I think this thing is just going to follow. The only risk that we really have is Adam Aaron killing runs is something that we're just going to have to hope for the best that does not happen. As far as AMC price targets goes, even if he kills runs, there's gap fills that have to be filled. One of them being above $40, okay? So this big gap right here. That's something that we're also going to watch. Now, I want to give you a short squeeze play that could potentially be a short squeeze. But before I do that, Tuesday, we're also expecting a catalyst, not only with GameStop T plus 35, theory, whatever, but Ethereum ETF approvals on Tuesday, which is going to bring Ethereum one way or the other, and it's going to show the trend. Based on the moves Bitcoin's seeing, it's likely to be up, but Ethereum is having trouble closing the week above 3,500. We're very, very close, and we want to see if that ends up being the case. That will be bullish if we close above that. Bitcoin, absolutely just ripping heads off. It's looking so strong. It's unbelievable. Now trading above 67,000. If we close above 66.5 tonight, Sunday, extremely bullish on Bitcoin, and that looks to be the case. This is very simple. Look how strong Bitcoin's move up has been since November of 2021. Large move up, correction. Large move up, correction. Large move up, correction. The bigger the move up, the larger the correction. And you're seeing that correction get completed and GameStop flying off of that with a very aggressive move up, likely to break its recent highs. Okay, next squeeze play. Why analysts are predicting a 1,000% rise for this stock. Ticker symbol IVP. Now, we're not going to cover this entire article, but if you take a look at IVP's chart, a 1,000% increase would bring it above about $118 from where it's trading at right now at $11.75. That is very unlikely to happen, but I want to put it on your radar because I find interest in how much volume the stock has picked up recently. It has never traded even close, not even half. Not even ever a quarter of the volume that it just got traded. And you're seeing some buy price targets on it. And some good news, some good possibility here, so just keep it on your radar. Lastly, couple things on top to close out the video. Sources reveal Hillary Clinton is planning a run for president against Donald Trump in 2024. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And just to again prep you, this week is going to be crazy. We have an insane earnings week ahead for the overall market. This is exciting. If you're not in yet, get in the Discord if you're excited for this week's trading week. I hope we make some money together. It's the third link under the video. If you want to know some solid trades, in my personal opinion, I posted a video yesterday, so if you have another 8-9 minutes of free time to just listen to the audio or something, go watch the video I just uploaded, guys. Lastly, the top link, you're going to find this one, the Discord link and the Moomoo link in the comments and under the description, is for my custom indicator in which you can add to your TradingView charts to assist you on your trading journey. It detects patterns automatically, gives you price targets, and forecasts what the stock might do. So go do that, guys. And if you want up to 15 free stocks and earn 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash, use my Moomoo link, open an account, and make a deposit into there. You guys will start earning benefits like level 2 order book data, access to trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more, all for free. So again, that is the Moomoo link. Open an account and make a deposit through that link. Hopefully you enjoyed your weekend. Let's make some money. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.